Welcome back, everyone. Donna Parsons here. And today we're going to be doing Goal Seek Scenario Manager, which is part of the What If analysis section in Excel. So over in the B column, I have 75 units sold, total income of $375. Then I have the cost per unit, and then the total cost. And in cell B9, I have the total cost minus the total income, and that's my total profit. So what I want to know is if I want a total profit of $400, how many units do I have to sell in order to meet that goal? And that is Goal Seek. So I'm going to come up to the Data tab across the top, over to the What If analysis. I'm going to click my down arrow and choose Goal Seek. And when the box pops up, because my mouse was originally in cell D9, it says set cell D9 to the value. The value is going to be 400. So I want to set that value to 400 because that's my goal by changing what cell. So in this case, I want to change D2 and say how many units do I have to sell to make a total profit of $400. And when I click OK, it tells me now that I have 228.5 units that need to be sold for a profit of $400. That is how easy Goal Seek is. So the next lesson that I want to show you is Scenario Manager. And Scenario Manager is located in your Data tab all the way over in your Forecast section of Excel. And if you click the down arrow to the What If analysis, you're going to come up to Scenario Manager. So the first scenario is we have the original data, and now we want to create a scenario that says if we increase the retail price of our product, what is going to be our profit? So let's come up to the What If analysis, Scenario Manager, and when your box pops up, you're going to click Add. So in this case, I want scenario number 1, so I'm just going to put number 1 in. And in this case, I'm in D3, so that is where I want to be. And I'm going to click OK. Now, I want to change that value to a different value. So if I raise my prices from retail from $5 to $5.75, what's going to be the outcome? And I'm going to click OK. So now you have that scenario saved. Select Show. Watch what happens over in this column. It automatically changes to $5.75 with a total income, and it increases that as well. So let's do another scenario. So we're going to come up to this one over here. I'm going to click Close. And I want to change, for example, the cost per unit. Let's see if we can get our costs down. So what if analysis, Scenario Manager, and now I'm going to add, and I'm going to give it scenario number 2, and I'm going to say change value. In this case, it's going to be E6, and I'm going to click OK. And now it says, what do you want to change the value of E6 to? Well, I want to change the value to, maybe I can get my cost down to $2.50. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So now I have 2 scenarios. I have 1 and I have 2. So if I select number 2 scenario, watch what's going to happen over here. Show. And you can see that it shows now that scenario. So you can see that it starts off with the original, and now you have one with, okay, if I change my retail, and then I have one, what if I lower my costs? And you can create as many scenarios as you want. I hope you like my lessons. If you do, please subscribe. And if you'd like me to do a lesson, by all means, let me know in the comments section.